Hi guys, this is supposed to be an unbox, but whatever you call it. So it's a Starfrit wedge and pop. If you can see it right there, it's a apple core and cutter. So it's easy. So push, flip, and pop. That's the direction. I'm going to show you how to do it without reading the directions or save you to read the directions. So just get an apple or pear. I have a pear in this case. And make sure to wash your pear. Yeah, so I'm just giving a little wash right there. And basically, I'm going to show you how to use a device. So you see that little thing, you have the plastic, you just put it to the side. And you put that pear or apple on a flat surface, center it, and just put the blade against it and press it down. So if you notice that at the bottom, it didn't come through. So that's the reason for the plastic part with that raised part. You just put it against it, push it up, and that's it. Everything comes apart. So see the apples? They're all off. You don't have to cut or anything. It's done for you. I gotta get a plate. So that's basically it. But the apples are nicely cut. See, the core is there. It's nice. Everything is good. Yeah. And I'm just putting them away. Yeah, and you see how it is now. You just basically just wash it. So you can just wash it with some water right there, or according to direction, it's dishwasher safe. But this is simple thing. You can just wash it off and put it down. Make sure that when you're putting it to dry, you open the plastic part, and once it dry, you close it and put it away safely, and you're good to go. Hope you enjoy. See you soon. Bye bye.